The following is mounted online dishwasher operation video. First of all, put the selected tableware into the bubble pool to soak and pre-wash. Then put the tableware on the conveyor belt over the entrance of the dishwasher. The conveyor belt will automatically send the tableware to the wash, rinse, disinfect and drying area. Then to finish the whole process of wash, rinse, disinfect and dry for the tableware. Bounce the online dishwasher is suitable for the restaurants, hotels, and contains with 1,000 to 5,000 people. It can wash bowls, dishes, plates, baskets, chopsticks, spoons, trays, and other tableware. Had advantages of clean, high efficiency, simple operation, labor saving, and environmental friendly. It is equipped with a large water tank. Saves more than 70% of water consumption compared with manual dishwashing by high-pressure cyclic running water. It's your best choice to ensure tableware hygiene and save labor and water cost. Now we can see the tableware coming out from the exit of the dishwasher. They have been washed as clean as new. Compared to manual dishwashing, it is cleaner, faster, and more hygienic. Bath dishwashers are your best choice for keeping your dishes clean, eating healthy, and saving labor and water cost.